Here we are at Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up and put them to dry on the clothesline. It's another week, and that can only mean one thing. Rahul is back in action. We've often wondered why Sonia Ji doesn't give Rahul pointers on how to work a speech. Well, this week she did, and unfortunately things didn't get better. They got worse.
तो मेरी माँ का फोन आया और उन्होंने कहा देखो तुम भाषण में जाके मेरी जो कहानी है वो मत बताया करो और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि अगर तुम कहानी बताना चाहते हो तो तुम अपनी कहानी बताओ मेरी क्यों बताते हो तो उनकी नहीं बतानी चाहिए मुझे अपनी बतानी चाहिए.
Rahul, you did just that. You've told us what you were told not to tell. And by telling us that you were told to tell your own story, you're telling us the story you were told not to tell us. Got it?
अच्छी तरीके से मच्छरों ने मुझे काटा, गांव का पानी पिया, पेट खराब हुआ, अच्छी बात है, मुझे अच्छा लगा.
महिलाओं को क्या लगता है? इज्जत की आपकी, भ्रष्टाचार किया, बलात्कार.
Oh dear. You know, Rahul, you remind me of this.
इस कॉलेज में बलात्कार पे बलात्कार किए एक इंसान अपने जीवन काल में इतनी बलात्कार कैसे कर सकता है? जिस देश में होंगे वहां बलात्कार करेंगे.
But Rahul wasn't done.
ऐसे 10-15 लड़के हैं, मुसलमान लड़के हैं, जिनके भाई बहनों को मारा गया है और पाकिस्तान से लोग उनसे बात करना शुरू कर रहे हैं. पाकिस्तान की इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी के लोग उन लड़कों से बात करना शुरू कर रहे हैं और मैं उन बच्चों से बात कर रहा हूं, उनको कह रहा हूं इनकी बातों में मत आओ.
Oh Rahul, your speeches haven't gotten smarter, but they've certainly gotten more dramatic.
मेरे परिवार में 2 लोगों को आतंकवादियों ने मारा है. मेरी दादी को मारा, मेरे पापा को मारा और शायद मुझे भी मार देंगे एक दिन.
And speaking of Rahul's revelations, here's another revelation he made in Delhi.
और वही काम बिजली में जो पहले पावर कट होती थी, पावर कट होती है तो गहराई से काम किया गया है.
News Laundry decided to take a walk around the city and talk to a few people.
बताइए आपने इस जनरेटर को क्यों रखा है?
पावर कट होता है इसलिए.
सर लाइट चली जाती है इसलिए जनरेटर रखा है.
ये इसलिए रखा क्योंकि पावर कभी भी जा सकती है किसी भी टाइम.
नहीं पावर कट नहीं होता.
होता है, क्यों नहीं होता? बिल्कुल होता है.
क्यों नहीं जाती है? जाती है.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल चले जाते हैं.
राहुल गांधी ने बोला है कि दिल्ली में पावर कट नहीं होता है.
ऐसा नहीं है, पावर कट होता है.
कभी भी जा सकती है, काम के बीच में कट जाती है.
अच्छा, तो किसी और पार्टी ने आपको पैसा दिया जनरेटर रखने के लिए?
नहीं, अपना जनरेटर है.
पावर नहीं जाती लेकिन.
जाती है.
Okay, maybe we jumped the gun there. Arey, power cut.
It's not a power cut, Madhu. We haven't paid our electricity bills.
We need our power back on. Only you can help us, dear viewers. We've opened our online payment gateway for contributions, and now it's your chance to make sure that the light never goes out on Clothesline.
अरे जनरेटर ऑन करो.
But we weren't the only ones who were fixated on Rahul Gandhi. There was CNN IBN's India at 9 with Bhupinder Chaube, and what a show it proved to be. We had Sanjay Jha representing the Congress, who kept in line with Rahul's appeal to the youth with this.
This is an ROTFL
not one
moment.
right in Gujarat, but
you know,
they remember 2002, they don't remember 5.5
calling any other party communal is an ROTFL moment of Indian political discourse.
Sanjay, that was a WAY-SAJ moment. For those of you who don't know, ROTFL means rolling on the floor laughing, and WAY-SAJ means why are you such a jackass? Sanjay, that is Twitter language. When you're actually talking, you don't need abbreviations because you can actually finish your sentences and you aren't limited to 140 characters. CX, CC, BH, DAM, BFN, CUL, 8R, IMHO, NCT, SMDH because YOLO, YOYO Sanjay. But what did get us rolling on the floor laughing was this.
I think the big difference between Modi and Rahul Gandhi is Modi generates heat, Rahul Gandhi generates light.
Oh Sanjay, did you get that one from us? But Meenakshi came back with this.
And light reminds me of a dim light, which happens because of the bad electricity which this government has been giving us.
Right.
And a dim wit, I can call people who are eulogizing the wrong statements.
As elections get closer, parties want to show their brightest candidates in a good light. We get it. But while Sanjay and Meenakshi were plugging either Rahul or Modi, One panelist not only made it clear who he was supporting, but even managed to actively campaign for them as well. But since this debate didn't answer any questions, we had Barkha trying to do better on The Buck Stops Here, where she asked, has Rahul Gandhi failed to script a counter-narrative to Narendra Modi? And if you're from the Congress, you believe that the universe revolves around the sun. No, not that sun. This sun. After all, it's not the earth that's holding Rahul. It's Rahul that holds the earth in place.
Has Rahul Gandhi failed to come up with a narrative to counter Narendra Modi?
Well, it should have been other way around. I mean, instead, what Narendra Modi has done to counter Rahul Gandhi's agenda, what Rahul Gandhi has been doing for last 5-6 years.
Get it, Barkha? It should be the other way around. But maybe Rajiv should save the editorial inputs for his own channel, News 24, and answer the question at hand. And then, the moment of supreme irony.
Did I utter a word when you were
the lowest unemployment in the country?
Piyush, when you were doing all this chamchagiri, did I speak a word, interfere with you?
For those of our viewers who don't know what chamchagiri is, here we'll show you. राजीव शुक्ला जी, कम ऑन यार, सोच के बोला करो. एंड मध्य प्रदेश कांग्रेस, आपको भी सोच के बोलना चाहिए. The Congress party in Madhya Pradesh wrote to the Election Commission asking them to hide lotus ponds in Madhya Pradesh so that the people aren't unfairly drawn to the BJP symbol. And if this trend continues, you can expect no cycles, no lanterns, no jhadus, no rising sun, no flowers, and the BJP will probably want everyone in the country to not even show their hands.
ये हाथ हमको दे ठाकुर!
But lest we get accused of being right-wing Modi trolls, here's our balancing act. Now we can turn our pseudo-secular cheek for a slap from the other side. Look, Modi troops, Modi was bashed and targeted by the mainstream media between 2004 and 2009. And it was okay for you to whine, but you have no reason to crib now because this is what they're putting out.
देखिए, मैं आंकड़ों की बातों में नहीं जा सकता, मगर मेरा एक ही कहना है कि मोदी का जो दावा है उसको गुजरात में उतरते ही एयरपोर्ट से उतरो, ट्रेन से उतरो या बस से उतरो, उतरते ही अगर आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है तो कांग्रेस सच बोलती है, वो मान लीजिएगा. मगर उतरने के बाद अगर लगता है कि गुजरात में परिवर्तन हुआ है तो आंकड़ों में मत जाइए, मोदी की बात को मान लीजिए.
Navika, is this an interview or an Invest in Gujarat corporate film? We're wondering why Times Now even felt the need to play those shots. And for those of us who've never visited Gujarat, ये भी गुजरात है. कुछ दिन तो गुजारिए गुजरात में. Now we're going to show some balance, and we always have to get some balance. So here's the balance. And the mainstream media on Sunday, October the 26th, had a dilemma on their hands as they had to choose between Rahul's speech and Modi's speech, which were happening simultaneously. After briefly switching between the two speeches, all channels decided to go with the speech they felt was better, Modi's speech. Modi followers, don't get excited. If you're thrilled Modi beat Rahul in a speech contest, you've set your sights very low.
वो वंशवाद को छोड़ देंगे, मैं शहजादा कहना छोड़ दूंगा.
एनडीए की सरकार और वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं कि हमने 3 गुना ज्यादा सड़कें बनाई.
अब बिहार का मंगल ही मंगल होने वाला है, जहां सूर्य देव के हर रूप में पूजा हो गई.
But an effective jab to Modi came from the most unexpected source, the strong but definitely silent Prime Minister.
सरदार पटेल जी का नजरिया पूरी तरह से सेकुलर था. मुझे इस बात की और भी खुशी है कि मैं जिस राजनीतिक दल का सदस्य हूं, सरदार पटेल का संबंध भी उसी राजनीतिक दल से रहा.
got it, huh? But here's the barb that set the ball rolling.
समय की कमी है, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को सरदार स्मारक आने से पहले राजीव गांधी भवन भी जाना जरूरी था।
इस तरह से शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से दोनों पीएम और पीएम इन वेटिंग।
आप देखिए किस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह और बीजेपी के प्रधानमंत्री पद के उम्मीदवार नरेंद्र मोदी एक साथ एक मंच पर बड़ी ही शांति से और बड़े ही अच्छे वातावरण में मुस्कुराते हुए बातें करते हुए एक साथ बैठे हैं।
My God, that statue is so lifelike. Warning, don't call in the wrong statue. Now, coming to the most ridiculous story in a long time, and it's a golden one. Swami Shobhan Sarkar had a dream in which the ghost of Raja Rambaksh, the late king of Unnao, told him there was 1,000 tons of gold buried under a 19th century fort in Unnao. And that was enough to start a gold rush, a dream.
In fact, Archaeological Survey of India teams have already begun working on excavation of a treasure still buried 20 feet underground.
अब से कुछ ही देर पहले एसपी और डीएम ने पहला फावड़ा चलाया है। उन्नाव के जोड़िया खेड़ा किले में खुदाई शुरू हो गई है। एएसआई के नेतृत्व में ये खुदाई हो रही है।
Thousands of onlookers have gathered at the site with a lot of curiosity.
You know what they say about gold diggers? And Shobhan Sarkar's dream was enough for many to lay claim to the gold even before it was found. From a dream.
उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि बेटा मेरे पास एक खजाना का जानकारी है, अगर देश चाहे तो अपने पास रख ले, क्योंकि देश में संकट है, आर्थिक संकट है।
तो उस खजाने का अगर थोड़ा निकलता है तो क्षेत्र किले का विकास, अधिक निकलता तो पूरे क्षेत्र का विकास किया जाए। तो हम लोग उनके चूंकि वंशज हैं, स्थिति हमारी गड़बड़, हमें पुनः स्थापित किया जाए।
एक साधु की घोषणा है, खुदाई हो रही है, कुछ दिन रुक जाइए, देखिए क्या निकलता है। बहरहाल जो भी निकलेगा वो उत्तर प्रदेश की प्रॉपर्टी होगी, राज्य सरकार उसको अपनी संपत्ति के रूप में लेगी।
एक साल का ये आपका जो गोल्ड डिमांड है इंडिया में उसको फुलफिल करेगा। आपको एक साल गोल्ड इंपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
What does that remind me of? Lottery अभी लगी नहीं. Everybody is counting their share. As if that story wasn't bad enough, Zee News decided to do a story on themselves doing this story. Doing this story? Give me a break.
देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों में लोग Zee News देख रहे हैं क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी कवरेज Zee News कर रहा है। हम इस समय खड़े हैं मेरठ के एक जिम में और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एक्सरसाइज छोड़कर लोग जो हैं किस तरीके से टीवी से चुप के बैठे हैं।
जब से Zee News ने ब्रेक किया है, मतलब ये अच्छी बात है कि अगर मिल जाता है तो ठीक है देश के लिए।
Honestly, I don't even have words for what we just saw. Someone help me out here.
ROTFL, WTF.
Thanks, Sanjay. ROTFL, WTF. And they aren't the only ones who do stories about themselves. Ye bhi hai.
Times Now is the undisputed #1.
Today, Times Now has earned your trust as India's leading English news channel for the 6th straight year. Times Now creating history in social media trends with its state and national poll projections, with its pure numbers and politics. Times Now, undisputed #1, not just ahead, but far ahead.
And just in case some of their viewers were online instead of in front of the TV, they tweeted this. Leading the news front again, Times Now retains its #1 spot. But lest you be swayed by those figures, CNN-IBN enlisted Rajdeep's understudy, Bhupendra Chaube, to announce to us that CNN-IBN was not only popular, it was positively award-winning.
CNN-IBN has been adjudged the best news channel 7th time in 8 years. India at Night, this very show that Rajdeep does, has bagged the best news and current affairs show. Sagarika Ghosh has been adjudged the best talk show host.
Wait, what? Sagarika won the award for best talk show host. My God, the prophecy is coming true. This is, oh, Sagarika, we're humbled. I thought commenting on news channels was our job. ये तो खुद ही करने लग गए. Yeah, guys, leave this to us, please. And while everyone is feeling good about themselves, why should we be left behind?
News Laundry is the most watched news portal with 4,000% more viewership. Clothesline wins the award for Best Satirical News Wrap-Up. Conditions apply. Viewers chosen for the sample are all employees of News Laundry and fall under the age bracket of 18 to 25. The results are subject to subjective interpretation. Please read the conditions carefully before believing.
Hi, मैं पहुंच गया हूं न्यूज लॉन्ड्री स्टूडियो के एडिट रूम में, जहां सब लोग अपने काम छोड़ के न्यूज लॉन्ड्री देख रहे हैं। चलो पूछते हैं लोगों से। सर, आप क्या कर रहे हो?
हाय, मैं न्यूज लॉन्ड्री की साइट पे कुछ करंट न्यूज देख रहा था, क्योंकि घर पे इतना टाइम ही नहीं मिलता कि मैं चैनल खोलूं, चैनल चेंज करूं, कहीं ऐड आ रही होती है, कहीं कुछ। इंटरनेट पे जाओ, डायरेक्ट न्यूज लॉन्ड्री की साइट पे करंट न्यूज, करंट अफेयर्स जो भी चल रहा होता है, सब न्यूज एक ही ब्लॉग में सब कुछ मिल जाता है।
वंडरफुल, थैंक यू सर। और आप क्या कर रहे हो?
न्यूज लॉन्ड्री की वेबसाइट पे क्लोजलाइन देख रहा हूँ।
क्लोजलाइन में आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है?
यहाँ पर सबकी धुलाई होती है।
ओह, वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। और ये देखिए, ये तो इंटरनेट इनकलाब देख रहे हैं।
हाँ, मैं इंटरनेट इनकलाब देख रहा हूँ।
कैसा लगता है आपको?
मुझे काफी कुछ नया देखने को मिलता है इसमें।
ओह, लवली लवली। और आप सर क्या देख रहे हो?
सर, मैं न्यूज लॉन्ड्री पे आई एग्री देख रहा हूँ।
आई एग्री पे आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है?
मुझे लोगों के व्यूज और थॉट्स उसमें देखने को मिलते हैं।
वंडरफुल, एंजॉय सर। और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, न्यूज लॉन्ड्री इस ऑफिस में सबसे पॉपुलर वेबसाइट है, क्योंकि सब लोग न्यूज लॉन्ड्री पे ही जाते हैं। सर, आप कहां से आ रहे हो?
बाथरूम से।
क्या कर रहे थे अंदर?
न्यूज लॉन्ड्री देख रहा था।
वंडरफुल। लोग तो बाथरूम में भी न्यूज लॉन्ड्री देखते हैं, अपने फोन पे। तो न्यूज लॉन्ड्री सबसे बढ़िया वेबसाइट है इस ऑफिस में। मैं खड़ा हूं न्यूज लॉन्ड्री के ऑफिस में, जहां लोग सुबह से लेकर शाम तक न्यूज लॉन्ड्री देखते हैं। आपका फेवरेट वेबसाइट कौन सा है?
न्यूज लॉन्ड्री इज माय फेवरेट वेबसाइट।
वाव, एक बात तो साफ है, यहां तो सब लोगों का फेवरेट वेबसाइट newslaundry.com है इस ऑफिस में।
We often see politicians criticizing the media for not highlighting the important issues as they see them and having a selective memory. Atul Kumar Anjan of the Communist Party of India decided to remind Arnab and the Indian media as to what they actually remember.
Celebrity action you remember, the poor workers action you don't remember. That's the problem with the Indian media. You do not want to know how the farmers and agriculture workers and the workers are protesting. You don't remember them. You remember them celebrities act.
Atul Kumar
yes, Anjan.
You see, thank you very much for the flowery compliments you have paid to the Indian media. I don't represent the entire Indian media.
Come on, Atulji. I think you're being unfair to the media and to Arnab in particular, because although the news are maybe really loud, it's still serious news, isn't it?
No, I'm not discussing here Katrina Kaif. I'm here discussing about the agriculture worker.
It's not a Katrina Kaif news, sir. I'm doing a fairly serious program.
Ooh, probably not a good idea to doubt the seriousness of Arnab's news hour, Mr. Anjan, or you'll find yourself in a soup.
1 minute, I'm challenging you, sir. I'm challenging you to prove me wrong. I challenge you today. You go and find those figures. You also find out food, vegetable, onion, brinjal, cabbage, pulses, milk, egg, spices, sugar and fruit prices in the autumn of 2005.
And Arnab wasn't done. Somewhere it obviously pinched him. Where it pinched him?
Because I see the pinch, because you did nothing. You are realizing the pinch. You are realizing the pinch that people feel in their kitchens after the DMK has pulled out, because A. Raja has not got enough protection from the government.
You can't fool Arnab, but you can definitely try.
You do not bring 2 and 2 is equal to 4. Okay, please do not do that. I mean, we have to understand the mathematics.
Khushbu, we definitely do need to understand this new mathematics that you have introduced to us, where you suggest that 2 and 2 is not equal to 4. I don't even know what to say to this.
ROTFL.
Shut up. Get him away from me.
1 2 ka 4 2 ka 1.
And from the ridiculous to the sublime, it hasn't been all downhill in the media. The New York Times did a detailed and excellent news report on the Mumbai gang rape with maximum clarity and minimum vulgarity. This follows on the heels of Jason Burke's report on the Delhi gang rape in The Guardian, 2 examples of great journalism. Feeling blue about the Indian media? Don't. The ad campaigns being run by The Hindu, The Times of India and The Hindustan Times in anticipation of the coming elections deserve to be complimented. Smart, effective, but a bit pious considering what some of you are doing with the economics of news. Last week we had Mehdi Hasan. This week we witnessed news veteran Jeremy Paxman left dazed and speechless because of, guess who?
You are a very trivial man.
What do you think I am, trivial?
Yes.
A minute ago you were having a go at me because I want a revolution. Now I'm trivial.
asking. You talk vaguely about revolution. What is it?
I think a socialist egalitarian system based on the massive redistribution of wealth, heavy taxation of corporations and massive responsibility for energy companies and any company that's exploiting the environment. Jeremy, don't ask me to sit here in an interview with you in a bloody hotel room and devise a global utopian system. I'm merely pointing out that the
You're calling for revolution.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I'm calling for change. I'm calling for genuine alternatives. Why is that naive? Why is that not my right? Because I'm an actor. I mean, I've taken the right. I don't need the right from you. I don't need the right from anybody. I'm taking it.
This is like Arnab Goswami being rendered speechless by Raju Srivastav. No, it's not going to happen. But one last thing before we go. Sensational is one thing. Misleading is another. This is sensational. This is misleading. And it's important to know the difference. Aaj tak. Dear viewers, sabko free news chahiye. Paise kaun dega? It's time to pay for free news. Get onto our website and subscribe to our newsletter for as little as 100 rupees or as much as 1,000.
1,000, please.
You support us, we grow. It's up to you. You'll also get to know us better. We've also got a brand new show called News Laundry Light. It's sharp with a twist and you can always add a dash of lime. So subscribe to News Laundry. That's a wrap for the week. If you have any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow or oh crap, write into us or tweet to us. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected, stay online.